Hi friends, here I am showing the solution for the query which is asked by some of our friend in WhatsApp group, and it is done by text join, filter, all the functions. But I will show you the solution with Excel 2010 licensed version. If it is licensed, then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work, will not have that function, I mean to say. Okay. Instead of text join, there is alternative for text join in Excel 2010 if it is licensed version. See, I'm sharing the screen. Here is the screen, guys. See how I did. All right. With I'm using K65, but I did the solution with Excel 2010 array functions. See, see, if I change red to blue here, let me check whether it's working or not. Later, I will show you the solution. See what I'm doing, I'm changing from red to blue to check whether this function is working perfectly or not. If it is working, then what will happen? This name will remove from here and it will replace in the blue. Means it will get 4 and it will get 2. If it is working perfectly. Done. It is working. Right. Now, this is the solution. I do what I'll do, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I will ask whether this red is available in this team range. Okay, I don't want in table, so I'm converting into a range. Okay, is equal to if this red is available over in this team range or team column F4. I'm freezing all the columns because I'm using Excel 2000. I'm explaining you the Excel 2010 function for that reason. And value is true. Before that, okay, what I'll do, see, all magics here will happen. F4. And if it is false, blank. That's it. F9. So it will show us like this. Okay, three things it is showing. What I'll do means I use concat function. Concat. Only concat, not concatenate. Okay. Close parenthesis F9. See, I enter and I will show you. Here delimiter is not available. Observe guys, here delimiter is not available. We have to keep the delimiter of after the team member name. Sorry, the name. Okay. So here what I'll do, here I simply add, okay, I have to, here also it is not a perfect, see, what will happen, it will show us like this. So we have to remove first occurrence of the comma. Simple thing, no need to worry about that. Use substitute function. This is the text, and the text is what the new text, this one, what is the old text, this one, what is the new text, this one. Here, if I enter blindly here, what will happen? It will remove F9C. It will remove all delimiters, that is comma. Okay. So what here you have to use the logic that I want first instance, means wherever it finds the first comma in the value, you have to replace that or substitute that comma with the blank. Are you able to understand? The instance means wherever it first occur. No, the first occur, not second occur, third occur, first occurs. You have to replace that first occur comma with a blank string. Okay. Enters. Wherever ChatGPT stops thinking, There, ExcelGuru starts solving the solutions. Jai Hind.